All right, Jennifer, thank you very much. It's time for part 2 of our Chemist Corner segment. We're talking about children activities, some inside playing Guitar Hero this summer, but if you want to go outside, Jesse Miller has the perfect bubble recipe for you.
That's right. Well, we made soap in the beginning, but, soap's good for, washing, I guess. But,
sure.
But we want to play,
yeah.
okay? Now soap, well, you know what? Let's just play.
Okay.
Okay. I went online. I found the soap that you get, the bubble solutions that you buy in the store are good. I don't want to say that they're not good, but they make small bubbles.
Right.
Okay. And we want to make big giant bubbles.
Sure.
Okay. And you're not going to find that in the store. So I went online, searched around a couple places, and found a pretty good recipe.
All right.
So this is just 4.5 cups of water. Now you want to make sure you're not using hard water. So if you live out in an area that has a well and you don't want to soften your water,
okay,
you don't want to use that. You want to use DI water. But in town, the water's fine.
Perfect. Okay.
It's a little basic, which is probably good. So anyway, 4.5 cups of water, half a cup of liquid soap. Make sure it's not a detergent. Soaps and detergents are different. A detergent's a surfactant, although soaps work as a surfactant as well. But you need soap in order to make this work. So we put in a little soap. Let's see, half a cup of soap, 4.5 cups of water, and then to make the bubbles last longer, we put in glycerin. Now you can get glycerin at like Walgreens or CVS, okay, or someplace, sure, like that, and it's not terribly exotic, so 4 tablespoons of glycerin, okay, just to thicken it up. Glycerin,
pretty safe. People take that
oh, yeah,
in pills and stuff. So if the kids get in their face or mouths,
no, it's no problem. All soap has glycerin in it as well.
Right.
It's part of the process of making it. We're just putting a little more in there in order to make the soap stickier, if you will.
Okay.
It raises the viscosity of the water. So we just mix this up, and it actually works better if you let it sit for a little while, okay, so that it mixes really well, excuse me. English isn't my first language.
Chemistry.
So I made some up yesterday, so that it would be sitting around, and then I took some PVC piping and cotton string. You can make wands out of just about anything, but cotton string seems to work really well, okay, because it soaks up the soap and things like that. So I put some cotton string in here.
See what we got. Whoa.
There we go. Did it on my first try.
You were awesome. Can I?
Sure.
Oh, I was trying to catch it on my finger.
So yeah, you can play around with this. You can use different things for wands, and it's more of a technique thing. But after a little bit, you got to get the hang of it.
Right.
And these make pretty awesome.
Yeah, that's
bubbles.
pretty good.
Yeah.
They last a long time unless you get a TV guy trying to pop them right when you're working. All right, Jesse. Well, thank you very much for coming in this morning, getting the kids entertained throughout the summer with a big batch of bubbles. We appreciate your time. All right, if you want to see a replay of this segment or get that bubble recipe, just go to our website, IllinoisHomepage.net, click on the morning show, look under Chemist Corner, have that up for you shortly.